to dye my hair without doing a video.
What? No way.
Why wouldn't I be doing a video? I totally forgot because, guys, I have not dyed my roots in 5 months. I'm not even kidding. Is it obvious? It's totally obvious, right? And I wanted to try out the Clairol natural looking nice and easy because they redeveloped it. It's supposed to be gentle on the hair, really good for the hair. I'm going light blonde because my roots are pretty dark, so I think it's gonna keep me in probably the way my roots are. I would probably say the medium blonde. So, and I always have my hair pulled back, so I kind of forget about it because I'm chasing the toddler around all day. So, brassy doc. We're gonna fix it. All right, well, I'm gonna pull that back up. All right, I'm gonna pull this all together, put it on my hair, show you guys. It's in. So this is after 15 minutes. I'm gonna leave it in for 30, brush it through, leave it in for an extra, probably 5, so like 35, 40 minutes. Then wash it and return. Guys, my bathroom lighting is not the best, but this is towel dry, and what, I'm not even kidding, I think this could honestly be my favorite new hair dye. I love the tones it brought in. There's like a golden tone blonde and then kind of a brown color to it. It did leave 3 tones in my hair, guys. And that's after you leaving it on for 40 minutes. I think with one toning, just one toning session after that, it will be the perfect color. Honestly, I really do. I am super, super impressed with that. The smell was okay. It didn't have a chemical smell. I don't know what they put in it, some flower oil or something, but it was a nice smell to it. When you're putting it on, it does feel like you're putting in a conditioner in your hair, so that's really nice. And I left it on for 40 minutes, so 30 all through my roots, and then just kind of, I don't know if you've seen my other video how I highlighted it. Just take a brush and then just put the brush to the rest. But let me do one more turn so you can see, guys. You can get this at, I believe, any drugstore, Target. I'll put a link too if you want to get it from Amazon. You don't want to drive to the store to get it, just click the link below. But I'm so happy. Thank you. One more turn.